is Simone McMillan, and today I'm going to talk about my podcast, Managing Plant Pathogens Using Streptomyces with Linda Kinkle. In these two photos, you can see both the examples of streptomyces, which are widely recognized for their production of an array of compounds. These groups of organisms have beneficial associations with plants where they have improved plant growth and protected against pests, which has attracted the attention of researchers such as Linda Kinkle. Plant growth promoting organisms facilitate the plant growth directly by assisting improved nutrition such as nitrogen, potassium, and essential minerals. Various studies have been documented that increase health and productivity of different plant species by the application of Streptomyces. Plants provide necessary carbon for the largely heterotrophic soil, and these microorganisms help the plant in several ways too, such as number one, microbes mediate plant growth by production of plant growth hormones. Number two, microbes provide nutrition through mechanisms like nitrogen fixation or phosphorus. And then number three, microbes protect the plant from stress or drought conditions. Over the years, many universities, such as the University of Minnesota, had found potatoes were planted in a field for over 2 decades to study the disease of the potato. Over the time, a researcher found fewer disease in test crops, which led the plot to be abandoned in the late 1970s. In the 1980s, Dr. Neil Anderson had planted some potatoes to see if they would develop a disease, but neither potato developed any disease. Soil from the field had contained streptomyces that was isolated that showed antimicrobial, I think I might have said that wrong, activity against bacteria, fungi, and nematodes. I might have said that also wrong, sorry. The discovery had led to the new University of Minnesota professor, Miss Linda Kinkle, and find the discovery of streptomyces and how it affected around the world. In this picture, you can see what is a soil profile. A soil profile consists of several soils horizons. As you can see, there is 4. The O horizon, which is humus on the ground surface. A horizon, topsoil, which is also rich in organic material and is usually typically a dark color, and also called zone of leaching. We also have horizon B, which is the subsoil and may contain subsoil minerals such as excellent and arid climates. Then we have the C horizon, which is the weathered bedrock, also known as the rotten rock, and bedrock lies below the soil profile. With all these soils, we had learned from managing and providing nutrients to provide the growth of certain species such as Streptomyces with a given plot. And then the main question was, how are soil microbes inculated? Microbes can be 1, added to the seed coating before planting, 2, planted place in the furrow when the seed is planted, and then 3, distribute into the irrigation system.